Questions and Answers on the Weaver Bird by Kofi Awono. Question 1. The weaver bird symbolises A. Africans, B. Slave traders, C. Europeans, D. Native tribes. The correct answer to this question is C. Europeans. Question 2. We watch the building of the nests. This line exemplifies A. Onomatopoeia, B. Metaphor, C. Alliteration, D. Irony. The correct answer to this question is C. Alliteration. Question 3. The poem delves into the issue of A. Wars between the Africans and the Europeans, B. Ethnicity, C. Religious conflict, D. Colonization. The answer to this question is D. Colonization. Question 4. The weaver bird hails from the A. North, B. South, C. East, D. West. The answer to this question is D. West. Question 5. One of the major themes of the weaver bird is A. Cultural identity, B. European invasion, C. Evagelism, D. Trade. The correct answer to this question is B. European invasion. Question 6. The arrival of the weaver bird was marked by all the following except A. Special treatment, B. Total acceptance, C. Hostility, D. Great care. The correct answer to this question is C. Hostility. Question 7. Our only tree in the poem symbolises A. The forest, B. The African continent, C. Natural resources in Africa, D. A great person. The answer to this question is B. The African continent. Question 8. The African tradition has been taunted by the weavers A. Eggs, B. Excrement, C. Feather, D. Culture. The answer to this question is B. Excrement. Question 9. The following, except one, describes the behaviour of the weaver bird. A. Hypocrisy, B. Deception, C. Greed, D. Innocence. The answer to this question is D. Innocence. Question 10. The colonialists established themselves in A. The forest, B. The trees, C. Another's country, D. Their own country. The answer to this question is C. Another's country. Question 11. The poem criticizes A. Africans, B. Weaver birds, C. Colonialists, D. Education. The answer to this question is C. Colonialists. Question 12. The use of our houses in line 1 suggests A. Home, B. Village, C. Africa, D. Europe. The correct answer to this question is C. Africa. Question 13. Nest in the poem means A. Home, B. Africa, C. Colonial Administration, D. Colonialists. The correct answer to this question is C. Colonial Administration. Question 14. How many lines has the weaver bird? A. 14 lines, B. 15 lines, C. 16 lines, D. 17 lines. The answer to this question is C. 16 lines. Question 15. We look for new homes every day. The poet in this line sends a message of A. Hope, B. Courage, C. Fear, D. Peace. The correct answer to this question is A. Hope.